So guys, I do like this speaker a lot, it works very well, but the thing that's annoying me since day one, and they seem to all do this, is this hissing noise at low volume. Let me show you. Do you hear the hissing sounds? So look, now I'm on Bluetooth. Look, there's another sound. Let me try to find it. It's very susceptible to look here, everything, big hissing sounds. Like here now on Bluetooth. I don't know if you can hear it. So how can we fix this? That's my question I have for somebody out there. It's got to do with some ground, some shielding. I'm not sure what to do, but it's very annoying on low volumes. Thanks.